You say take me on a treasure hunt.
Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you guys my living room. I am doing a little bit of, hey baby, so I will be doing some cleaning and decorating. As you can see, it is a mess. So right now I already started, then I thought why not just film the process, and that's why we are you serious, mama? Serious? So she doesn't want me to talk, but yeah, I hope you guys can hear me. When I was not talking, she was actually quiet, guys, so I don't know. All right, so I was saying that I was already cleaning and I was already like trying to tidy up some things, and then I thought to myself, why not film the process? So yeah, I just came back from a vacation and I just wanted to do some cleaning and redecorating of my living room, and I will be using really affordable stuff from Shein. But then let me show you guys what I'm doing. So some of my lights on my media wall were already dying out, and so you can see that this one all the way down to my right, to my left, sorry, it's almost dead. The other one all the way on the top is dead, and the other one is dead. And I already started changing the vase over there, and I just thought, okay, why not film it? So yeah, we're gonna do that today, and I will show you guys how I will redecorate. I will change the rock. I will just do a refresh on this space, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So guys, come with me, let's just jump right into this video. Okay, I hope that we are just gonna enjoy it with some music and voiceover explaining what I'm doing. All right, stay tuned for the video. Okay, hello guys, and welcome to Dede's Home Interior. My name is Dede. Welcome to my channel. On this channel I do home decor, inspiration and ideas, and some organization. I also strive to show you how to create homes that look a lot more expensive than they actually are. If this is something you're interested in, please stay tuned and keep on watching. So as you might have noted, I am 6 months postpartum, and guys, it has not been easy, but we thank God for life. Yeah, my baby fell and I had to comfort her a little bit before we continue. So I posted on my status that I was in New Orleans. Prior to New Orleans, I took the kids to San Antonio, to Austin, and then hubby and I went to Ohio for a wedding, and then New Orleans, and we had so much fun. Now I'm back to reality. So yeah, that's basically what I've been up to. So I'm gonna replace the top vases and then the lights on my lower left, and of course I hope it looks good. Then we can get ready to go to the rest of the living room. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it. Okay guys, as you can see, I already added the light over there and over there. And I also changed the light down there. I didn't change all the batteries for down there just because I was trying to save some batteries, but I changed 2 of the batteries. But yeah, that is what it looks like after the lights have been changed. So right now I'm just going to add some accessories on the second layer of the media wall. I'll add these gold vases. I have 2 of them. Let's add it and see how it looks like, okay? Okay guys, so we've added the vases. Just that's what it looks like. On the bottom we have a media system on this side, and this side I just have boxes to save our remote controls, just because I wanted it to kind of match and I made it look similar. So yeah, now let's get ready to go to the entire living room and just do our thing. I'll just put music just so that I'm not gonna talk over the baby or the baby talk over me. Let's just get going. So if you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. I really appreciate you stopping by. Thank you so very much. I really do appreciate it. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I heart you. Thank you for always supporting your girl. I truly appreciate it. I do not take it for granted. And to all of you who tuned in and watched the previous video, thank you so much. It was such a pleasure. I redecorated, I refreshed my friend's living room in Ohio, and she loved it, and a lot of you loved it as well. So guys, thank you so much for always supporting this little girl of yours. Thank you.
Don't wanna wait in line. I've been here 1,000 times. It's all a big hustle and a serious crime. You're coming out to me and hope I come quietly.
So guys, my new rug is from Ross. I am a big Ross fan. I shop a lot from Ross, and I've had this rug now for about 2 years and counting. So yeah, I just wanted to place it in a way that made more sense to me. So I was turning it around. Anyway, guys, are you excited to see how I'm going to decorate this living room? Because I was actually very nervous. I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out, but I was excited at how it looked after the total creation. Okay guys, so look at what the rug looks like and the furniture after putting everything down. This is what we have. Tell me what you think as we get ready to start putting in some accessories like throw pillows and some decor to just spruce up the space. Let me know your thoughts about the setup so far, because every now and then I change my rug. I do have a set. I don't know what you think about having a set, but I love it. And I wouldn't mind changing up and getting something else to just complement the couches. But for now, this is what we've had for the past 7 years, and our couch is still going strong, even though it already has some issues and we're looking to change it. But for now, we are just gonna make it work and enjoy our beautiful living room as we go. So guys, stay tuned and watch as we get ready to accessorize and make the space look even better. If you missed my Shein haul, this is the time to check it out. Oh my god, these pillow covers, believe you me, are from Shein, and they are 22 inches if I am right. And oh my god, I am totally in love. Look at the quality of these pillow covers. I told you guys I was going to come through and actually decorate with them, so you don't think that this is a joke. These are just so beautiful. All the pillow covers I'm going to use here are from Shein, and I am totally in love with them. Look at this one. This is like a boho theme, but I had to bring it to this beautiful modern glam living room, and it's still giving. I thought it was giving. Anyway, you tell me and give me your thoughts. But now I am accessorizing the entire living room and just making it bringing some light. Remember, greenery brings that nature from outside to inside, and of course I cannot decorate without adding some greens, because why not? So guys, stay tuned as we get ready to reveal and tour every detail of this space, and make sure you comment any question that you have down below. I would love to see it. Thank you guys so much as you get ready to tour this beautiful living room and creation that we have put together for today.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like?
So this is a quick reminder of what the living room looked like before we did our refresh. I love it, but this even looks better. Guys, tell me what you think. I think it looks better, but I would love to know your thoughts about our beautiful living room makeover and refresh for today's video.
My mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. And I'm running out of time. I wish he felt the same. And I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him? Oh, 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 oh. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know